Now, are you all excited? Our speaker for today is a celebrity fitness coach. Wow! Ulitin natin. Celebrity fitness coach. Perfect. Wellness advocate and motivational speaker. With years of experience training high-profile clients. Public figures. Kilala niyo po ba yung si Andrea Brillantes? Yes. Client po niya. Kilala niyo po ba si Jackie Lou Blanco? Yes. Client din po niya. Kilala niyo po ba si Isa Calzado? Yes. Client din po niya. And sooner or later, magiging client niya rin si Enrique Hill. As a coach, she believes in the power of small daily habits, gratitude, and walking the talk to inspire lasting transformation. Her work has empowered thousands to not only achieve their dream bodies, but also to create balance, purpose, and driven lifestyle. Ladies and gentlemen, great people, are you all ready? Yes! Ready na ba kayong makinig? Yes! Sa isang malupit na celebrity coach? Yes! Let's all welcome our beloved coach, Pauline.
Actually, parang nakita ko sa TGIS guesting kahapon. Diba? A round of applause for VP James. Thank you so much for discussing the great products of Great Life. Ayan. So how are you all today? Gising-gising. Parang kailangan natin magising ng konti. So dahil ako ay fitness coach, papatayuin ko muna po kayo lahat. Yeah. So ngayon, nakita naman natin sa ating screen here, be your best self. Balance gut, health, mindset, and habits. Are you guys ready to be your best self this afternoon? Yeah. Yung mga natutulog dyan, game na ba maging best self? Yeah. Okay, so before we start hindi naman to training eh. Diba, parang feeling ko, parang na-hype ako kasi alam ko ang Great Life has the best products. Tama ba? Great Life has the best company. And si Madam President, napakaganda, di ba? Best! Best BOD. Paano naman ang ating distributors? Best ba kayo? Syempre, from all over the world, we are live here in Zoom. Hello, guys. Mag-like kayo, comment, and subscribe na. So, di ba? Okay, hinga muna tayo ng malalim. Inhale. Exhale. I will be my best self today. Inhale. I'm ready to receive abundance in my life. I'm ready to receive abundance in my life. Inhale. Ready na rin ako magpa-pay-in mamaya. Diba? Okay, upo na po tayo. Thank you so much. So right now, enter to my next slide. Diba? Lumalaki siya kasi this is for you. Okay? You are the highlight of this company. Walang Great Life kung wala kayo. Tama ba? And of course, before that, kailangan best self kayo. Diba? So hi everyone, I'm Coach Pauline Kiza. And syempre, of course, sinabihan naman nila that I am a wellness fitness coach by profession. It is my passion. And because I am passionate about what I'm doing, I also want you to be passionate about taking care of yourself, taking care of your gut health. Kasi meron tayo sa Zoom. Syempre, kasama kayo dito sa aking talk. And of course, you're ready to become your best self. Become the best self. Ready? Okay, so since kanina, pinakita po ni Sir James, yung mga clients ko po, gusto ko po ipakita ang mga journey nila sa inyo. Ayan. So this is Maxine Magalona, Miss Jackie Lou Blanco. Those are my celebrity clients. And then nandito po si Maxine na bikini body na achieve niya with Amazing Body by Pauline. And of course, Miss Jackie Lou Blanco, who has been training with me for 10 years. All natural, holistic approach. Hindi po ako sang-ayon sa mga injection. Di ba? Yun lang po, gusto ko, kaya ako nandito sa Great Life kasi alam ko, ang produkto ng Great Life ang makakatulong kung gusto mo ng weight loss, kung gusto mo ng hormone balancing, kung gusto mo rin na kumita ng extra income. Kaya nga ako nandito kasi gusto ko ng extra income, guys. Okay. Di ba? Kasi hindi naman forever na magsa-squats ako. Tama. Okay. Siyempre po si Mr. Paul Ravales. Forever. Ayan. And of course, siyempre ang mga kalalakihan sa buhay. O, di ba? Siya lang naman na lalaki sa buhay ko. Okay. And of course, siyempre Miss Tanya Lapid and Andrea Brillantes and Miss Carmina Villaruel and also the twins. Hindi ko rin ata nalagay si Miss Iza Calzado. Siyempre Michelle Cruz sa mga 90s, 80s. So, kilala nyo yan. And of course, ito naman yung mga personal clients ko na hindi celebrities. Okay? 60-pound weight loss. I will tell you her journey later. O, diba? Pag best self ka, gumaganda lalo. Paano na best self with great life? Di bonggang-bongga. Okay, next. Siyempre, hindi lang puro sa babae. May kalalalakihan din tayo. Kung nag-dad bod ka ngayon, great life bod ng next. O, diba? Dad bod ngayon, great life na next. Okay? Ay, siyempre, pang mga bata. So, all aspects of our life. So today, we will be talking about everything that you want to hear. Because you've already heard about it, di ba? Narinig nyo na sa lahat ng speakers ng Great Life. Pero ngayon, ile-level up lang natin ng konting push button. And for others who haven't heard about it, be ready because I'm gonna change your life. Mission alignment this afternoon, di ba? You're not just selling products, you're changing lives. You change your life and you change others to become their best version. How? Walk the talk. Great Life's missions aligns perfectly with my holistic health. Totoo po yun. Kasi nung nalaman ko yung produkto, trinay ko siya. Siyempre, it was introduced, of course, my brother-in-law, PJ Calip, and Miss Jel, of course. Ayan. Thank you so much. Kasi makikita po natin na ang mission derives with kung ano po ang lifestyle natin. Ano ba ang lifestyle mo ngayon? At bakit ba gusto mong baguhin ang buhay mo? Your gut is your second brain. I'm sure, Mr. James, you've talked about it a while ago, that our gut is our second brain. And it also makes us feel how we feel. Before it goes through your brain, it goes through your stomach. Di ba pag meron kayong gustong kausap, pero may bad feeling kayo, gut yun. Energy yun. Pero pag may gusto kayong kausap, tapos gusto niyo lalong kausapin, gut feeling din yun. So you have to listen to what your gut says. Gut as your second brain, millions of neurons in your gut, 70% in your gut, talks about how you feel and how you will become. When you say, wala, malaki na talaga ako. Wala na akong pag-asa. Yun lang yung alam niya. Hindi niya alam na may pag-asa pa pala. Hindi niya alam na may great life pala. So, kailangan sabihin natin, wait, God. May great life pala. Kaya nga tayo lahat nandito ngayong hapon. Kasi alam natin sa sarili natin kung bakit kayo nakaupo sa mga upuan ninyo kahit umuulan malayo, kahit nasa ibang bansa, nakikinig kayo sa Zoom. O, di ba? Kasama talaga sila eh. Lahat tayo community dito. And because there are millions of neurons in your gut, diba? There are 90% serotonin made in gut. Ano bang serotonin? Happy hormones. Paano naman kayo magiging masaya kung puro soft drinks? Oops. Sorry. Alam mo yan? Matamaan, matibay. Joke. Matamaan, matibay. O, diba? Pero kasi, nasa sa inyo eh. Everything is already there. It's the choices that you will make that will help you change yourself. But question, are you willing to change your lifestyle? Are you willing to listen to your gut? Are you willing to invest in your health? Prebiotics plus probiotics is equal to balance. Ang tanong, kung nakinig po kayo kay Sir James, ano po ang ating prebiotic product? Kasi baka natutulog na.
8 amazing juice.
Oo, di ba? Yes. Dalawa yung prebiotic, di ba? O isa lang?
Dalawa.
Ano po yung isa?
Gut fiber.
Di ba? Alam na alam ko. Kasi tinitake ko siya. Paano na ang probiotic? Ano po ang ating probiotic? Ma'am. Pwede na dun tayo sa product next time. Ano po ang ating probiotic?
Coffee. Amazing. 8 coffee.
Yes, yung coffee. So we have 3. And if you take these products, it will balance your mood swings para sa kababaihan at kalalakihan din. Hindi lang naman ang babae ang umiinit ang ulo. Huwag nating anuhin. Parang feeling nila na parang kami lang mga babae ang umiinit ang ulo. Pati lalaki umiinit ang ulo. Bakit? Paminsan, imbalance in the gut. Paminsan, gutom lang talaga. Feeling nila na-anxious sila. But it's not feeling anxious. It's really just in the gut. Still, gusto ko pakita sa inyo, the prebiotics is a feel-good bacteria. Okay, kanina, pinakita na ni Sir James kung ano itong mga produkto natin. But if you wanna feel good, the probiotics add beneficial bacteria. When together, it improves your digestion. But, kailangan tama rin ang pag-inom. Okay, paki-note lang po yun. Because sometimes people feel na, sige, inumin ko na lang to. But, we need to learn how to take it because we know for a fact that it will only be beneficial if we take it right. So, paminsan, upline, di naman effective. Di ba? Tingnan muna, paano mo ba siya tinake? Di ba? Paano ba? Kasi ganito. Di ba? Hindi lang yung, upline, wala na akong benta kasi hindi naman siya effective. Okay? Tatanungin natin, paano nyo ba tinake? Next, together, it improves strength, immunity, reduce inflammation. Hindi lang po dito because you really just wanna market, right? It's really just because you wanna help others become their best versions because you felt great after taking it. So it's really this prebiotic foods, tingnan nyo linagay ko na dito, 8 amazing drink, garlic, 8 gut fiber, spirulina. Meron tayo nun? Diba? May spirulina tayo. It's a superfood. Onions, asparagus, bananas, oats, and apples, yun yung mga prebiotic foods. How about the probiotic foods? 8 gut fiber, Great Life Boost coffee, yogurt, mga live cultures, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut, miso, and kombucha. Pero ang maganda dito, di ba? Di ba yung mga iba, ano yung sauerkraut? Ano yung kombucha? Kung medyo mahirap hanapin, anong next na hahanapin? Great Life products. Di ba? Hindi na natin kailangan pakomplikahin. Kasi ang hirap hanapin. This is easily marketed because maganda packaging, check. Maganda company, check. Maganda ang mga distributors. Di ba? Di ba? Yun naman talaga kasi we have to feel it to believe it. It's really not just because, hey, I've tried it. it's good for you. Right? They have to feel it too. Because to see is to believe. First, still on your gut as your second brain, ito talaga. Ang unang-unang sinasabi ko sa mga kliyente ko, ano ba ang kinakain mo? Napaka-importante that when you have a healthy gut, you increase your energy, your focus, your confidence. Tama ba? Halata bang 6 a.m. nagtatrabaho na ako? Kanina yan na naglalaba ako hand wash. Kasi, guys, balanse ang gut system ko. Thank you to Great Life. At syempre, masaya din kasi ako kay Paula Ravales. Kasama. So, balanse na yung gut, may love life pa, di ba? Paano na? Wala lang love life, poor gut pa. Gets nyo, guys? Alam mo yun, tutulungan mo yung sarili mo para maging feel confident. Kasi yung iba parang, ay, wala, mataba na ako. Wala pa akong pera. Wala pa akong jowa. Paano na? Doon papasok kung paano yung matutulungan yung kaibigan nyo. Gusto mo ng jowa? Papayat ka muna. May probiotic, prebiotic kami. Gusto mo ng extra income? Alam mo na. Diba? So, it's all here in your gut. You just really need to take care of it. Everything starts from the inside to out. Our lives are not perfect. Marami naman tayong pagdadaanan every single day. But if you help yourself, it's all gonna be balanced. Okay? So, do I hear yes, coach? Kasi coach pa rin ako at the end of the day, alam mo yon, gusto ko makita na lahat tayo gising. Kasi kung hindi, magpapapush up ako mamaya. When your gut thrives, your business thrives. It's all about thriving within yourself. If you're thriving inside, your aura will be different. You will feel that when you wake up in the morning, sandali lang, ang dami kong energy. Saan ko ba lalagay ito? Ganun Kasi gusto mo yung ginagawa mo. Gusto mo yung inaalagaan yung sarili mo. At the same time, your energy will affect other people. And at the end of the day, you're not just helping yourself, but you're thriving in closing deals. Yun talaga yun. Habits, ito na. Let's talk about the habits that you do. I'm really, really promoting the habits we do every single day that will create a lasting effect. Okay? Paano ba? Yung iba sasabihin, uy, alam mo ba, nag-workout ako, nag-walk ako ng 1 oras. Monday. Nung Tuesday, hindi na ako nakapag-walk kasi napagod ako. Wednesday, alam mo, marami akong ginawa, hindi na nagawa. Thursday, wala nang oras, sobra, pasensya na. Friday, ay, gumimik ako. Saturday, ay, maraming labahan, wala na talagang oras. Sunday, kailangan magdasal, mass, ganyan. 1 hour lang. Sa 7 days. Kung yung habits na ginawa mo, paliit-liit araw-araw, yun yung pag-uusapan natin. Energy builders versus energy drainer. Do you wanna have more energy? Yes! How about giving people more energy? Yes! Diba? See? Pwede talaga Pero gusto niyo ba yung great life, everyone? Pakikinggan niyo ba ako? Diba? So, napaka-importante. Energy builders. Probiotics, hydration, morning movement, gratitude, journaling, consistent bedtime. Unang-una. Linagay ko si probiotics, bakit? Gut yun Kahit mag-journaling ka, kahit gumising ka ng maaga, kahit consistent bedtime, kung masakit ang tiyan mo, hindi mo lahat magagawa yan. Nung bata ako, meron na po talaga akong problem sa tiyan, nasa lahi namin yon. So I really had to take care of myself early in. 7 years old, alam kong hindi na ako pwede mag-soft drinks. Alam ko yung fast food is not good for me. So if you want to build your energy, fix your gut. Next, hydration. Anong iniinom nyo? Do you drink more water? Or do you drink more soft drinks? Umiinom nga kayo ng ating juice, coffee, pero Coke naman. Importante yan. Okay? Next, morning movement. Who among here does workout? Since walang nagtaas na kamay at si Polo lang, at si Sir, ang next na mission ko ay ang Great Life members mag-workout sa akin. O, diba? Because when you're feeling good, you're gonna feel great. You're gonna have more energy to build your network. Yun naman talaga yon. And then, journaling. What are you grateful for? Gratitude is the highest frequency of vibration. Maybe you're sitting down in that chair and you said, naku, napilitan lang ako umupo dito, mag-yes-yes lang ako, napilitan ako. But when you're sitting down there and then say, alam mo, grateful ako kasi nakaupo ko dito ngayon at nakikinig ako. Kasi may natututunan ako na pwede kong ituro sa labas, na pwede kong ibigay sa ibang kailangan. What are you grateful for? Sometimes the things that you have are the things that other people are praying for. Yung nakaupo ka lang sa office na may aircon, yung sumi-air ka sa magandang opisina na magandang CR, kasi sa iba hindi maganda. Ay, sorry, lumabas ako. So, I mean, di ba guys? Those little things, the small gratitude is the highest frequency in a room. And when you're grateful for your upline who pushes you, maging grateful ka kaysa dun sa walang pakialam. Eh, how about the energy drainers? Ano ba nakaka-energy drain? Skipping meals. Okay, di ba nakakagulat? Si coach, kailangan kumain? Yes. I hate skipping meals because it's making me imbalance. Sasakit yung ulo ko, sisikmurain ako, yung mafe-feel anxious ka. So you really need to fix your meal time. Processed food. Ano bang kinakain? Alam na, di ba? Yun ba? Ay, paminsan lang naman, coach. Okay, kailan mo kinain? Monday. Tapos, ano yung paminsan mo? Wednesday, wala na akong choice. Thursday, wala, yun lang ang binigay ng boss ko. Friday, wala na rin kasi walang time. Make time for eating healthy, like taking care of yourself. Why? Kasi mas mahal po ang maospital kesa sa bumili ng pechay sa palengke. Kesa sa isda sa palengke. Tama? Kesa bumili ng Great Life products. So talagang iisipin nyo na too much sugar is also not good. To say that I love sweets before, that's why nagkaroon ako ng hormonal imbalance. Okay? So may PCOS po ako. So kaya nagustuhan ko ang ating Great Life Panty Liner and Napkins. Dahil sa anion, sa graphene, o diba? Alam ko po yan. Dahil sa anion, nakakabalanse siya sa mga pambababae, sa kababaihan. So, it's gonna balance the hormones. And if we want to feel great and release any energy drainer, dun pa lang sa napkin, panty liner, kailangan maganda na. And of course, stress. Sinong stress? Parang imposibleng walang nasa-stress. But it's how we manage our stress. Hindi po nawawala ang struggle sa buhay, pero pag tumingin kayo sa mga bagay-bagay sa buhay ninyo that you are grateful for, like having Zoom, tama? Diba mga Zoom members, diba? Imagine nyo, taga-ibang bansa kayo pero nakikinig kayo sa amin. Palakpakan sa kanila kasi marami pong nakikinig live. So that is one thing that we can be grateful for, is feeling na, oh, kahit nandito ko, I know that I can be part of the company. And negative self-talk. Hindi naman ako fit. Wala naman mangyayari sa akin. Ay, buti pa siya may kotse, ako wala. Ay, wala naman akong pambili niyan. Your brain is very powerful, and I'm going to be talking about it in my next slides. Here are the 4 pillars of holistic wellness. Pillar, kung saan nangangailangan each person so that they will become their best version. Hindi ko lang po ito ginawa-gawa, hindi lang siya haka-haka. Based on the clients that I've been coaching for 12 years now, I've done the 4 pillars. Bakit? Hindi lang po tayo sa workout, kailangan talaga from inside to out. First pillar, nutrition is our fuel, pagkain. Energy, di ba? Eh bakit may mga pagkain na nakakaantok pagkatapos? Kasi maling pagkain. Movement, flow. Ang exercise, hindi po siya mahirap. Mahirap kasi iniisip ng mga tao, mahirap. Sasabihin, ay, hindi naman ako artista, hindi ko kailangan mag-workout. Hindi po siya ganon. Mindset, focus. How will you focus on your goals to become your best self? How can you focus on creating your network? Rest recovery. Napaka-importante, magpahinga. Alam niyo, dati ayoko nagpapahinga. Parang feeling ko, nagkakasala ako sa sarili ko. Pero hindi. You need the rest because rest is success. I always tell my clients, you know what, rest is success. So pag nakikita nila na sobrang busy ko, ang message nila, Coach, rest is success. Because sometimes someone has to remind you, right? And ako pong taga-remind today sa ating lahat ngayon. On our first pillar, nutrition, movement, mindset, rest, gratitude strengthens all pillars. Kahit anong mangyari, kahit may 4 ka, kung hindi ka grateful sa buhay mo, at kung hindi ka marunong tumanaw dun sa dati mo, wala rin. That grounds you. Kailangan kahit okay ka na, when you're grateful, thank you ha, thank you. Alam mo yung thank you sa ibang tao, malaking bagay yun. Yung na-acknowledge mo siya, yung nangitian mo siya, malaking bagay yun. Kasi hindi mo alam yung pinagdadaanan niya. So it strengthens all our pillars, which I will be talking about. First pillar, nutrition ako. Matamaan po, pasensya na. Pero gut-friendly meals, fiber, probiotics, antioxidants, o di ba? Tingnan nyo naman. May product tie-in pa talaga ako. Bakit? Kasi yung iba sasabihin, Coach, mahirap. Hindi ko magagawa yan. Paano? Nasa Great Life ka nga. May 8 got fiber, 8 boost, coffee, 8 amazing with purple corn, di ba? So, it will really help you balance everything in your body. Consistent nutrition fuels health and business. Ano ba ang kinakain mo? Okay ka ba tiyan? Di ba sa why, yan ang sinasabi, okay ka ba tiyan? Totoo yun eh. Okay ka ba tiyan? Kasi paminsan, sasabihin ng gut mo, ay, kumain na naman siya ng mali. Sige, bibigyan ko ng signal sa kanyang liver, sa kanyang kidneys, sa kanyang spleen, na magkakasakit na siya. It's the things that you do every day, the food that you eat every day that contributes to sickness. Hindi ako naniniwala sa overnight sickness. Wala pong ganon. So if they're blaming their genes, it's not their genes. It's their lifestyle. And the lifestyle contributes to what they eat. Ano bang kinakain? Hindi po mahal kumain ng tama. Okay? It's really the food choices. It's a daily choice. Next. Ito po si Charm. She was 203 pounds starting weight. First 3 months namin, she lost 30 pounds. After 3 months, so 6 months, she lost 60 pounds. Okay, ang ideal weight loss po kasi sa isang tao ay 1 to 2 pounds per week. However, Charm had the mindset, listen to me, and became this, 60 pounds lighter until now. Na-sustain niya. So, kayo na next. Kung sino po ang merong goal ng weight loss, you can achieve it. You can achieve anything you want. Basta, tama ang nutrition. Next pillar, movement. Siyempre si Charm, nag-workout din. Hindi lang pagkain. Ang tanong, why movement? Ano bang movement, coach? It supports digestion, it reduces stress. Okay? First, how can it support digestion? Imagine, you ate your dinner. Di ba? You ate your dinner. Umupo ka, nag-Netflix ka. Tapos pagkatapos nun, inantok ka, nakatulog ka, umupo ka. Tanong, nag-digest ka? Nag-stuck yan sa tiyan mo. Tapos, okay ka ba tiyan? Sinigpura ka, hindi makahinga, ang bigat-bigat ng katawan. It's because you didn't move enough. Ang importante, after eating, at least walk 10 minutes. Sa labas lang. Hindi yung, busog na busog ako. Tutulog na lang ako. Ay, di ba nangyayari? Aminin. Kahit sabi mo maganda produkto natin. Paminsan talaga yung upo natin, ganyan. Tapos, ang sarap ng pagkain. Ang sarap-sarap matulog. Tapos, sinusnooze nyo na yung alarm clock nyo. Ay, anong oras na? Diba? It's because when you, after every meal, try to walk. 10 minutes lang. Tapos sasabihin nyo, ay coach, alam mo, effective. Lumait yung tiyan ko doon sa sinasabi nyo. Totoo po yan. Next, reduces stress. Okay. I love walking. Sasabihin nila, ay, tita, workout ang walking. Parang pang lola. Hindi po. Di ba, nakakatawa. Pag pinag-walking, ay, masyado naman, ba't ako mag-walk? Walking na lang sa mall. You know what? 10 to 20 minutes start of walking per day, it sends a neurosignal in your brain to release stress. Yung pag may pinagdadaanan ka, tapos maglakad ka lang, kunyari ang init ang ulo mo, di ba? Yung tipong meron kang i-close, tapos biglang, sorry, pasensya na, ayoko, pero 3 araw mo trinabaho. Di ba? 3 araw mo siya trinabaho, tapos biglang, pasensya na, kasi nagbago isip namin mag-asawa, di ba? Tapos, tapos kumain ka ng kumain, tapos nag-coffee ka naman, nag-probiotic ka naman, nag-prebiotic ka naman, tapos nag-order ka ng fast food, tapos humiga ka, ganyan. Sabi ni coach, maglakad ako 10 minutes, alam mo, makakalimutan mo na siya. Sasabihin mo, on to our next prospect. Kasi move forward, guys. Yun eh. Kasi talagang masakit, pero okay lang yan. Marami pa namang tao dito sa Pilipinas. Hindi lang siya. So kung may heartbreak ka, hindi lang siya. Marami pang fishes sa sea. Sabi ni God, unlimited fishes. O, diba? Pero totoo yun eh. So, i-walk nyo. Pag galit kayo, mag-walking. Paminsan kami ni Paula, pag may disagreement kami, wait lang, maglalakad lang ako sa labas. Tapos after nun, mag-hug na kami. O joke. Yung parang alam mo yung ganun, kailangan medyo palabasin nyo lang yung galit. Kasi normal yan, tao tayo, hindi tayo robot. Ako yung very ideal coach na idealistic, realistic na nagsasabi ng totoo. May emosyon tayo, pero pwedeng makatulong, maglakad lang muna. Kunyari dito, VP, lakad-lakad lang po ako Tapos, great life, VP! O, diba? Next, even 10 minutes daily counts. Everything counts. What you do every single day. Alam mo what I love about every day? Whenever I wake up in the morning, I say, today is gonna be a great day. Hindi pa po namin ni-meet ni Paul ang great life. Sinasabi ko na siya that every day is gonna be a great day. Today is gonna be a great day. Ayun, na-attract ang great life. Na-meet si great life, kakasabi na every day is gonna be a great day. Because it changes and fuels your brain. Your mindset. Sabi ng brain mo, ay, yung buhay niya, everyday great. Kahit na maraming rejection, kahit na maraming pangyayari, great pa din. Endorphins make you happy. Makikita niyo yung taong nag-workout sa hindi. You'll feel the energy. And because I've been working out ever since I'm 12 years old, I love the energy, endorphins that workout gives me. I have 2 kids. I have 15-year-old and 3-year-old. We don't have a yaya and a helper, and I'm still loving it. Pag naglalaba ako, I'm grateful. May damit kami. Diba? Kasi yung iba walang damit. Diba? So, ba't ako magre-reklamo na wala akong helper? Pero syempre, nakakatulong na nag-workout ako. Kasi may endorphins ako. Boosts mood before meetings and calls. So, if you have hormonal imbalance on that day, walking, and then say, today's gonna be a great day. It's gonna be a great meeting. Next, mindset. O, diba? Nakita nyo, yung pillars are over-connected to each other, interconnected to each other. Hindi pwede si first pillar, second pillar, wala si third. Magkakasama yan, simultaneously moving with each other. Mindset. Thoughts create feelings. Alam mo, wala ako sa mood today. Feelings create behavior. Huwag mo nga ako kasapin. Ang init-init ng ulo ko today. Hindi ako sinasagot. 1 week na. Behavior reinforces thoughts. Nagdadrive. Loko to. Bad trip. Diba? Kasi, paano ka mag-isip? Umpisa pa lang, bad trip ka na. Bukas pa lang ng mata mo, wala naman ngayong araw na to. Ayoko na. Mag-quit na ako. Nasa mindset siya, guys. Limiting beliefs block results. But if you say, today's gonna be a great day. Great morning, everyone. Great day, everyone. Oy, may tumawag. Ano bang iniinom mo? Ba't ang hyper mo? Diba? Kasi magtatanong sila sa inyo. Tatanungin nila yon. Change your language, change your life. I am beautiful today. Poging-pogi ako today. Alam mo, ako kasi magta-39 ako, pero feeling ko, I'm forever 28. Ganyan. I talk to myself like that every day. Why? Kasi hindi naman alam ng brain kung sino kumakausap sa kanya. Ang alam niya, yung naririnig niya, galing sa'yo. Hindi mo kailangan marinig sa iba yung mindset na, uy, go, go, go. Lahat naman dito, go, go, go. Pag uwi mo, ayoko na. Tagal. Ang tagal-tagal ng product na yun. Wala naman ako naintindihan. Mindset. Medyo. Inhale muna tayo. Inhale. Today is gonna be a great day. Exhale. Inhale. I'm attracting abundance in my life. Nasa iyo lahat yon. Kayo ang susi. Kayo ang susi. Hindi yung kumpanya lang. Pero iba pa rin yung susi, yung kumpanyang maganda, magandang produkto, iba pa rin yun, di ba? Yung magandang opisina, hindi nakakahiyang padalhin mga tao. O, di ba? Gratitude reframes your mindset instantly, di ba? In everything of my slides, I always say gratefulness, gratitude. I'm always grateful. Our family prays the rosary every night. I meditate every day, 10 minutes. I exercise every day. It's embedded in us. Thank you, Lord. Kung hindi kayo Catholic, Christian kayo, kung anong religion nyo, thank you, Allah. Thank you. I am grateful. Because like-minded people, like-minded minds, when put into a great community, anong mangyayari? Sasabog. Yun talaga yun. O, di ba? Healthy body, healthy mind is equal to happy life. Iba talaga eh. Iba talaga yun. Pag yun yung na-master mo, you have to master yourself. You're like a soldier inside you. You master yourself, you master your skills, you master your technique, and the 4 pillars will help you. And then, syempre, trainings here. And then, syempre, mentoring, learning, being an open book, learning to everything is equal to a happy life. Syempre, a great life. Diba? Next, rest. O diba? Sobrang hyper ni Coach. Nagpapahinga ba si Coach? Yes. Before, I train my Zoom clients every day from Monday to Friday. Ngayon, I rest in between kasi nga walang kasambahay. So, pagod na pagod ako. So, sa paminsan, si Paula sasabihin niya, P, kakusapin niya ako, sasabihin ko, P, wait, hinga muna ako. Kilala ko na yung sarili ko, baka mapag-initan kita ng ulo. Alam mo yon, kasi kailangan natin ng rest. And that's not just for our mothers, for our fathers, but for everyone. Everybody needs rest, pero hindi naman po yung rest na wala na talagang ginawa buong buwan. Sabi ni Coach, 1 buwan wag na ako mag-network. Walang ganon. Sinabi ko lang na kailangan mo ng pahinga in a week to refuel your spirit, your mind, body, and spirit because rest repairs gut and resets the mind. Totoo siya. Sa amin ang rest namin every Sunday, it's a non-negotiable thing that nagpupunta kami ng mass every Sunday, buong family. At pagkatapos nun, mag-rosary pa rin kami. Kasama na siya. Those are our rest. So, depende sa rest na gusto nyo. Pero, pag Sundays, mag-walking pa din ako. Kasama ang movement. Hindi siya talaga nawawala. Ito na. Night routine. Night routine. No screen time before bed. Ano yun? Yung patulog ka na lang, tapos biglang, alam mo ba, ang ganda ng Great Life Products. Pwede ba kitang invite sa office? 1 a.m. na. Ay, meron ako maganda dito sa TikTok. Panoorin ko muna siya. Alam niyo ba na bago matulog, you need to have a winding time down for at least 3 hours before your bedtime. Kung hindi niyo magawa yung 3 hours, 1 hour, bakit? Sobrang gulo ng mind niyo. Sobrang gulo ng brain niyo kung ano-anong scroll. So, hindi ka makatulog. Parang feeling mo, bakit hindi ako makatulog? Isipin nyo, kasi nagpo-phone kayo. Pero kung tanggalin niyo yung phone ng mga 1 hour, sige, masyadong matagalan 3 hours, hindi kaya, 1 hour, tanggalin nyo, tulog na kayo. Kasi marami masyadong pinapanood, yung brain sobrang gulo, sabi niya, ano bang gagawin nito? Matutulog ba to? O manunood? Tapos nanood ng horror. Tapos nanood ng drama. Eh di heartbroken kayo. Hindi naman niya alam na nanonood kayo eh. Ang nakikinggan niya is yung emotions nyo. Doon lang siya naririnig. Yun lang yung napakikinggan niya. Yun lang yung alam niya. Okay? So, daily gut-brain business routine. Siyempre, mga business people tayo dito. Paano ba natin matutulungan ang sarili natin? Ito, this is how I do it, okay? Morning, I meditate. First thing in the morning. Hydration and movement. Magkakasama lahat yan kasi 1 hour lang ang meron ako sa sarili ko sa umaga. As a mom, as a coach, as a helper. Kasi ako rin lahat, kami tulong-tulong sa bahay. So, lahat yan. And may probiotics, tingnan nyo. This midday, balanced lunch, movement, and po yan. So, bakit may movement on midday? Di ba nakakaantok? Pagkatapos kumain ng lunch. So, kung mag-stretch ka, mag-walk ka around, if you're in the office, it's gonna help you. Evening, early dinner plus gratitude journaling. Have a notebook to write what are you grateful for. Try nyo lang yun. Mamaya may exercise ako. And then marirealize nyo na pag nagsusulat kayo, I feel great. No matter what happened on the day. Kasi sa isang bad day naman, hindi siya day. Moment lang yun, tama? Pero pag binasa mo, ay, mas marami palang to be grateful for than yung things that I'm not grateful for. And those things na experiences, challenges, are what will shape you. So those are the things that can help you boost your business and yourself. O, di ba? Meditation, planking. I love planking because I love working on my core. It's very important. Aside from, syempre, squats. Okay, ito na po. Meron po akong exercise para sa inyo. Okay? Write one habit to do consistently for 30 days. Meron po kayong phone. Pwede na natin ilabas yung phone. So gusto ko na starting today, August 16 until September 16, meron kayong isang habit na gagawin. Example, wake up 30 minutes earlier, do my 10-minute stretch. Pwede yun. Or habit, do my walking 10 minutes. You can do that. Pwede nyong itry po siya. Okay? Try natin. And then, write one belief to reframe. Kunyari, ang taba-taba ako. I don't like to see myself in the mirror. I'm not gonna see. I-reframe mo. I am going to be at my best weight. Or, hindi ako maka-close deal. I am gonna close a lot of clients for the whole month. You have to reframe. You have to think, ay, ano ba yung lagi kong sinasabi sa sarili ko? Ay, hindi ako morning person. Ayoko gumising ng umaga. Ay, I will be a morning person. Okay? And then, bonus, write one thing you're grateful for today. I'm gonna give you 3 minutes to think about it. And then, you can carry on every day. Mafe-feel mo yan na, ay, oo nga, no. Pag binago ko lang kung paano ko mag-isip, yung walking ng 10 minutes every day, yung magsi-stretch lang ako, yung sasabihin ko lang na it's gonna be a great day today. Nagbago buhay ko. Diba? So those are the things that you can key on. And then, maybe you can share it to your family, di ba? Lalo na pag yung mga may pinagdadaanan, sasabihin nyo, alam mo, sulat mo kung anong grateful for ka. Kasi marirealize mo, blessed na blessed ka pa. And then you're gonna bless others around you. Di ba? Okay na? So let's have a recap. Let's have a recap. Gut health is our energy foundation. Tama? Pag hindi okay yung gut mo, walang energy. And we want spectacular energy because we want to live long. It's for longevity, guys. Taking care of yourself with the 4 pillars is for longevity, to help us live long. Para yung mga anak natin, family natin, hindi tayo iisipin. Sabi nga ni VPJ, generational wealth. Diba? Small habits, big results. Instead of walking for an hour once a week, try to 10-minute walk every day. Mas marami yun sa 1 hour. Magugulat ka, ay, lumiliit ako sa timbangan. Anong ginawa ko? Those are the small habits. Ay, parang pag nakikita ko yung sarili ko sa mirror, nagagandahan ako, napopogian ako. Parang, kasi that is you talking to yourself. You're more positive. And you're just not just being positive, you're embracing the great life. Gratitude plus walking the talk, trust and influence. If you're grateful for, when you walk the talk, people will ask you, what do you do? What do you take? Ano ba yan? Bakit ganyan yung energy mo? Bakit iba? Kasi you feel it in the room, right? When someone enters and the energy and aura is great, magsasabi ka, ay gusto ko ganun. And you can be that. You are special the way you are. And you are great the way you are. You know that you are great. You are built for abundance. Siyempre po, something to remember before I end my talk, you are the product. Ang gaganda ng produkto ng Great Life, guys. Kaya nga ako nandito. Kaya nandito kami ni Polo. Because health fuels hustle. When you feel great, you can hustle. You won't feel na, ay, ang hirap ng business na to. Because you're gonna enjoy it. Lead by example. Sasabihin, huwag kang kumain ng ganito pero nag-order ng fast food. Huwag kang uminom ng soft drinks pero pagkita mo, naka-soft drink. Gratitude boosts your influence and energy. Be grateful. Be your best self, one habit, one belief, one gratitude at a time. And walk it, live it, and share it. Thank you so much, everyone. Before I end my talk, I want to invite you all. Your gut is talking, your mind is listening, and your gratitude is fueling your story. Make the story worth sharing. Be proud because you are destined for greatness.